I created like a whole new setup for this brand. And once I started advertising, I got banned immediately. I used a domain name that has a page ban like 2 years ago, and I'm suspecting that the problem is coming from this domain name.
Yes, so basically, if you have everything clean, you run in a new setup and you get restricted right away, there is a high chance that your domain has been blacklisted in the past. So, if you know that you had a page in the past that got banned, that got restricted from advertising, then it means that your page is blacklisted. And unfortunately, your ads can be as much compliant as you want, you will always get restricted. But the good news is there is a solution about that. We call it domain forwarding. So if you have a domain name that's very important for you and you want to keep it on the long term and want to advertise again, it's actually possible. And of course, when you think about it, imagine like big brands, if they get restricted, they cannot afford to go on a new domain name, so it might be some solution. So yes, it's possible. So if you want to inquire about that, we can set it up for you. It's pretty quick. Within 1 to 2 days you can advertise on the old domain name. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also have a domain name that is running but can have some kind of penalty. So it means that in the past you didn't have a page block, but maybe you had an ad account getting blocked or just a BM getting blocked with that domain name. Good news is you can still advertise with it, but you're feeling that, oh, something is wrong. When I advertise with this domain, I feel like my ads are a bit more expensive. And in that case, what I would suggest you is to run some kind of internal check with a Facebook representative. You can use ours, and we can get this sorted so your domain is in good standing, is healthy, and you can advertise with the good performances. Yeah.
Okay. So if I give you my domain name and everything, like you can tell me if the problem is
Exactly.
old page blocked from this
Exactly.
domain name or the BM
Yes.
or okay.
Yes, we can run a full diagnosis and tell you what's up with this domain name and what's the next steps. So basically, you can leverage it the way you want after this. Yeah.